Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel Life Stories with Mercy. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch my video, and to my subscribers, thank you. If you're new here, kindly consider hitting that subscription button. And so in my today's video, I'm going to show you how we do feed our cows in the villages and how we milk them. Most people in the villages feed their animals by grazing. Grazing is a method in which a herbivore feeds on low-growing plants such as grasses, and they also feed them using the napier grass, which I'm cutting. It's a necessity to those who own cows and they have to plant it. One can choose to use napier grass as pasture or conserve it as silage or hay. I'm cutting the grass and then take it to the cow. I'm done feeding the cows and I'll take it to the field to graze, and later on I'll give it water and bring it back home and show you how we do milk cows. After all the house chores, I visited my great-grandma, and here we are. She's just a vibe. I love playing with her white hair, cleaning her feet, and giving her a foot massage because she rarely walks. I think one of the days I'm going to plan for a date with my grandma and great-grandma and show them the kind of life people live in urban areas. They have been in the village for the rest of their lives, and I'm sure this will be the best experience for them. That was my time with grandma. Let's head to the field and bring the cow home for milking.